Hi guys, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day, and about a week and a half ago there, Bob, Casey, Ariel, and myself decided that on Christmas Day we were both going to take our drones out and do a little bit of flying. I'm not sure what Bob's weather is down there in Kentucky, and we're here in Canada, but today we've got gusts up to 66, I think, kilometers an hour. So I'm not sure what it's going to be like flying. We're down at the park. I think the first one we're going to put up is the Mavic 3, and I'm not sure if we're going to get that high with the Mavic 3. We'll probably just do a little bit of low flying. It's definitely not a day that we should even be flying, but we made a pact with Bob that on Christmas Day we would take the drone out, and hopefully he's having better weather than me. Anyways, let's get started. Well guys, she's pretty windy, but as you can see, the Mavic 3 Pro can handle the wind fairly good, but I still don't think that those gusts of wind are going to go too far with it, but we are going to get a flight. Let's fly down to the park. I think that's all we're gonna do today. I hope you have better success than me, Bob. Anyways, it's very, very cold out and very, very windy here. But we did manage to get the Mavic up and look around a little bit and fly a little bit. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Have a good one. We'll see you next year.